Freshdesk is an online customer service platform. Provide your customers with help desk support and smart automation. Track and manage your customers across various platforms. From your Freshdesk dashboard, you can monitor incoming tickets from customers, as well as set up email and marketing automation, customer and contact management tools, reporting and analytics, and much more. Trigger automation with Freshdesk when your Paperform is submitted. With a direct integration, you can create an incoming ticket, create or update a contact, and create a company. Manage your customer data in one place so you can get more leads, make more sales, blossom your customer relationships, and grow your business. It is easy to connect your Paperform to your Freshdesk. Here, we can see I've used Paperform's client information form template. When a submitter completes the form, I want to create a new contact with my Freshdesk account. Please note that before we set up the integration, we will need to run a test submission on our form. This is so the integration can test a connection with real data. From the form editor, I'll head up to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. And below Direct Integrations, I will click on the Freshdesk icon. For this example, I'd like to create or update a contact, and so I'll select this. Once clicking this, it'll open the integration configuration. We'll be prompted to add our Freshdesk account, so we'll click that green button. To connect our Freshdesk account to our Paperform, we'll need to include our Freshdesk domain as well as the API key. To collect this, we'll head over to our Freshdesk dashboard, and from the dashboard we'll go to our avatar in the top right and select Profile Settings. From here, we can collect and even reset our API key. To collect our Freshdesk domain, all we need to do is go to the address bar of our browser and select that appears before the period freshdesk.com. Jumping back into our integration configuration, we'll paste our Freshdesk domain and our Freshdesk API key, then click Connect Freshdesk. Upon doing so, we'll see some fields appear in the configuration. Now all that's left to do is to select what fields from our form are going to be merged into what fields within our Freshdesk contact list. For the email, we'll go to the right-hand side and select this icon and then select Email. We'll do the same for our name field, the same for our phone, and any other fields that we would like to include. Once doing this, we'll need to run a test of the connection. So we'll click Send Test. And voila, we can see that the test has been a success. If we jump onto our Freshdesk dashboard and head to Contacts, we can see that that contact has been successfully created. If you'd like to verify the contact, then send an activation email by clicking this button. All that's left to do now is to click Finish Setup. And done. If we scroll down, we have the ability to turn off the integration by toggling this, or change the configuration by clicking the gear icon. We hope this has been a helpful video. If you'd like to learn how to connect any other of your favorite platforms, be sure to leave a comment below. Good luck and happy form making.